Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 19, drawing circles and identifying and measuring the radius and diameter of a circle. Okay, so when we make a circle, we start off by starting with a point. Okay. Then I will take my ruler and draw a point, and in this case, I'm going to draw my point 4 centimeters away from point A in a different direction. Okay, so here's 4 centimeters, and I'm going to draw another point. Oops, right there. There we go. All right, now I can draw another point 4 centimeters away from point A in a different direction. So I'd spin my ruler and draw another point 4 centimeters away. Okay. And I can continue that all the way around. Now, it's a little bit difficult to do with my ruler because it changes sizes. But I could keep drawing points that are about 4 centimeters along all the way around point A. Okay. All right. So now I can connect these dots with a smooth curve. And there I have a circle. Okay, so let's draw the radius of my circle. I start that by starting at point A and going out 4 centimeters, because that's how long I drew each dot on my ruler. Okay, now this isn't going to be exact, and actually I need to really scoot this up a little bit. There we go. That's a little bit better. It's kind of hard to do drawing on this program, but my radius goes from the center of the circle out 4 centimeters. So my radius equals 4 centimeters. Okay. All right. Now there's a tool we can use to help us draw this easier, and it's called a compass. And this is a mathematician compass, not the kind that tells you like north and south. Now, if you notice, a compass has 2 points. It has a sharp point at one end, and that's where you put the middle of your circle. And the other end is a pencil, okay? And what you do is you spin this compass around, and it draws the circle. Now, I can't show this in this video, but in the comments, I've added a link to show you to another video that shows you how a compass works. Okay. Now, the radius is going to be from the center of the circle where you put your point to the outside of the circle where you start the pencil on the compass. Okay. That's what this line here is. And that's called the radius. Okay. Now, if you have more than one radius in a circle, you call them radii. That's just what you'd call multiples. Okay. Now, if I drew a line through the radius on one side and then to the radius on the opposite side of the circle, I'd end up with a straight line across the middle of the circle. It would look like this. Okay. This is called the diameter. The diameter is a straight line through the center of the circle, and the diameter is twice the radius because there's 2 radiuses or 2 radii in one diameter. So if my radius equals 5 centimeters, then my diameter would equal 10 centimeters. So on this circle, if I wanted to measure it, I would take my ruler and measure the radius, and it's at 2 centimeters or 2 inches. So if my radius equals 2 inches, then my diameter, which is the line that goes all the way across the center, would be equal to 4 inches. Okay, so remember, if it's all the way across the center of the circle, this is called the diameter. If I spell it correctly, diameter. Okay, and the diameter is made up of 2 radii, or radius, put together. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.